Tropical Mule is just a variation on a classic mule, base spirit, lime juice, and ginger beer. We've added a few more things to spice it up a bit. So how to make the Tropical Mule? You're gonna take a Boston Shaker small portion and you're gonna add 1.5 ounces of Novo Fogo Chameleon Cachaça. Then you're gonna add a 1/2 ounce of Bombay Sapphire gin. We're gonna use a 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, double strain. 1 dash of Angostura aromatic just to bring it together. And then we're gonna shake, but before we shake, we're gonna add ice to our glass. Just using a Collins glass here today. That way we can retain some of the bubbles and the sparkle from the ginger beer. Let's add in ice. Now we shake. Give it a nice pop. We're gonna double strain this into our ready to go Collins glass, or highball glass. Then we're just gonna add ginger beer. Garnish the lime wheel and a straw. There you have it, the Tropical Mule. Enjoy.